Hey guys, we received this hand e-touch pink nitrile disposable gloves for test and try. So they are for the hair dryer or stylist or the cleaning gloves that you can use to protect your hands. And here this comes in this normal glove packing. Let me just take out the gloves. So you can see a nice lightweight quality pink color gloves. So it is great for women to wear on their hands, so it fits really nice as you can see. So this is the medium size glove, and then from the other side as well, you can use it while doing cooking, or you can also use it while doing cleaning. So grip wise and feel wise, they are really great. They are non-sticky, and then also you can easily see like hold things well without any issues with the gloves. So great for use and great for cleaning and protecting your hands from any other use and work.